How to download the Instagram app Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download the Instagram app Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So Instagram and Threads are connected, so you can actually connect your Instagram account on Threads. So if you want to download it, then what you need to do is just click on Play Store or App Store depending on your device. But since I'm on Android, I just need to click on Play Store. Then once you're on the Play Store or App Store, you can just search right here for Threads Instagram. And after you search, just click on this right here. You can see this Threads and Instagram app. So just click on the install button that you can see on your screen. But since I've already installed mine, I can already see an open button. So once you have done installing yours, just click on open right here, and this will open my Threads. So this will load for a while, and as you can see, it automatically just tried to sync my Instagram account. So the opened account on my Instagram is CRedC25, so I can log in with Instagram and Threads. So I can just click on this right here. Let's log in. As you can see, it's loading, so let's just wait for it. And it will direct us to this profile page wherein I can type in my name and my username, add in a bio, a link, and also a profile picture, but you can also import from Instagram. So let's try to import from Instagram, and as you can see, it does automatically import our Instagram profile. So once you're done with that, click on this arrow right here on the upper right corner. And then you can choose the privacy of your Threads account. It can be a public profile or a private profile depending on what you want. But for me, I will choose it to be a private profile. And then click on continue right here in the bottom. And then you can see here all the people that are on Threads or haven't on Threads yet, but you can follow them. So click on this follow all right here. And then as you can see, this how Thread works. You can just read that and click on join Threads, and it will redirect you to Threads. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download the Instagram app Threads. If you have questions or comments, can be put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.